Good morning children, welcome to your EVS class. Today we will discuss about the story of fire, means the way of life during the age of the caveman and the change in their lives after the discovery of fire. Early man totally depended on nature for his survival. Early man used to live like animals in the forests. He had to move from one place to another in search of food. He mostly used to hunt animals and ate raw flesh. And he did not wear any clothes either. He used to wear the skin of animals or leaves only. Next is discovery of fire. We do not know when or how the early man discovered fire. Perhaps someday he might have seen animals running away from the jungle fire, so he came to know that fire could protect him from animals, as animals were afraid of fire. It is also possible that some animals were caught in a fire and were roasted. Later, when early man tasted a roasted animal, he found the meat tastier and softer than raw meat. Now, early man knew that fire was a useful thing, but he did not know how to make it. As we know that early man hunted animals with stone tools, later on he must have seen sparks of fire when he struck two stones. By chance, a few of those sparks fell down on dried leaves, and the leaves must have caught fire. Now he himself could light a fire. As years passed by, early man learned that by rubbing two flint stones or wood, he could produce fire.
Long, long ago, there lived people who did not look like us. They did not talk like we do. They were the early humans. Early humans walked a lot in search of food and water. Early humans lived in forests. They slept in caves or in trees. Early humans covered themselves with leaves and animal skins. Early humans ate wild fruits and roots. They also hunted animals for meat. They ate this meat raw. After a long time, early humans learned to make fire. They began to cook food. Fire also kept them warm. Early humans drew pictures on the walls of caves. Early humans made things to hunt animals. These things are called tools. Early humans made pots of clay. They carried water in the pots.
The discovery of fire helped man in many ways, like fire kept him warm in cold weather. Fire helped to light up his cave or hut at night. A man learned to cook his food before eating. With the passage of time, the ways of producing fire also changed. Man started using coal. Burning of coal produced energy. Kerosene oil to light fire. Now, uses of fire. Today, besides cooking, man also uses fire for melting iron, to bake bricks, etc. So man has started running machines and engines by energy produced from fire. Now, how we can handle it with care? Fire can be dangerous too. If we do not use it carefully, it can cause serious accidents and loss of property and life. So, we should always keep the following precautions in mind while using fire. So, we should not play with fire. Playing with matchsticks or crackers can be dangerous. We should not go near fire, especially when we are wearing synthetic clothes. When the gas stove is not in use, we must switch off the gas regulator. We should put out fire when not in use. Fire extinguishers are often used to control fire. Now we will see how fire extinguishers are used to control fire. So let's see.